all I can say is, it's a boy. Wow, what happened to my plants? Just ignore all the weeds because I'm going to be pulling those soon. But wow, with all this rain we've been getting, they just exploded. Oh my goodness. I cut them down in the spring, and I guess that helps too. But my oh my, yeah. I hurt my back, so I was out of commission for a week, and couldn't do really much of anything. So now I'm finally gonna pull these weeds. All right, I'll give you an look at it after it's all done. Wow, look at my hosta here. Woo-wee. Alrighty, here we go. I'm not gonna film. Hey everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome. How are you? I'm doing better. Hurt my back, but I'm doing better. So Lisa from Ladybird Loves here on YouTube is having a podiversary this month, July 2024. I'll have her channel linked below. She's giving away, I think it's going to be a big box of yarn and other things. So yeah, go check out her channel. She has some rules, you know, to do with the giveaway. So yeah, you have to, I'm going to link the video that I saw where she was talking about it. And it's open worldwide, so you have to live on Earth to enter. And I think that might be it. So I'll just, you know, let her tell you about it in that video. So I don't know what date she's going to have the podiversary. She did send me an email, but I don't know where it is, what happened to it. I've got a ton of emails to check out and find again. And yeah, but anyway, okay, so it's Ladybird Loves. She's linked below. Her name is Lisa. She lives in the UK. It's going to be a podiversary celebration sometime this month, July 2024. And I believe she's going to be giving away yarn and other things possibly, because she is a crocheter. And I think that's it. All right. So you guys take care till I see you again. I must also mention the crochet junk journal that I asked you guys to participate in by sending appliques and things to put in there. I think it's finally done, so I'm going to put up a video this week about it and pick a winner for it. That was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed that, and I hope you guys did too. I have a tutorial for this. I'll link it above. It's a book cover. You can make it for any size book. And here, I'll just show you this one. And this is the book cover I made for the crochet journal. I have the dangles to add yet, but this is the cover of it. So yeah, I'll give you a flip through first, and then we'll pick a winner sometime this week. All right, you guys. I think that's it. Okay, I'll talk to you again as soon as I can. Okay, bye. All right, there she be. Only took about 10 minutes. We've had so much rain that the ground is very moist, so the weeds came out so easily. I should be standing back further, shouldn't I? Because these plants are just so big. That one there is fake. Fake. And that one in the middle is fake. But look at my hens and chicks. Oh my gosh, look at all those little chicks. Oh my goodness. They're just multiplying like crazy. I guess they love the rain. Now look at this one. Can you see this one right here? Right here. This one's growing something. I think it does that every, few years or something. Because I had one before, and it grew fairly high, and then a squirrel or something chewed it off, broke it. Yeah. So yeah, all I can say is, it's a boy.